In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to set shipping rates on your Big Cartel store in just a couple of minutes. Start by opening your browser and heading to Big Cartel. Log into your account, and if you're new, the sign up process is simple and takes only a moment. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to the product section. This is where you control everything related to your items. Choose the product you want to edit or add a new one if needed. Inside the product settings, look for the option labeled Add Shipping. This is where you can set how much customers will pay for delivery. You'll see two important fields. Shipping alone is the cost to ship the item by itself, and with others is the cost when the product is shipped along with additional items. Think about weight, packaging, and destination when setting these numbers to make sure they are accurate and fair for both you and your customers. You can repeat this process for multiple countries if you offer international shipping. Big Cartel lets you set custom rates for each region, which helps you control your costs and offer clear pricing to your global shoppers. Once you finish adding your rates, make sure to hit save, so all your changes are applied to your storefront. Always take a moment to double check your settings before you exit, just to ensure everything is correct. And that's all you need to do. You have now set up shipping rates on Big Cartel in a quick, simple, and effective way. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any questions you have below.